Standard 3/4 inch conduit is a cheap and sturdy building material. The Maker Pipe system was designed as a simple and reusable solution for you to build your projects with standard conduit. The 5-way connector features a steel construction and is finished with a durable industrial automotive coating that can be used indoors and out. Every purchase includes the needed hardware and a pre-applied heat-treated band that adds to a more secure connection. The 5-way connector joins 5 pipes, 4 at 90-degree angles and 1 vertical structural pipe through the center. Use it to connect and fortify structures together. If adding to a pre-existing structure, you can clamp the connectors together, but in this case, we start by adding the hardware loosely to all 4 pieces. Add the center pipe as well as the 4 connecting pieces of conduit, and then go back and forth between the bolts, tightening evenly. The pocket feature keeps the nut from turning and keeps installation simple by only needing 1 tool to assemble. When tightening down the bolt, the connectors clamp down on the conduit, allowing for an easy connection that requires no drilling. Just like that, you have a 5-way connection without any special tools or skills needed. All you need is conduit from your local hardware store and a few Maker Pipe connectors from our website, and you can get started on your project today.